Vaplas is a leading UK manufacturer, supplier and installer of high-quality CNC machined plastic products for machine guards, pipework systems, fabrications and tanks in various types of engineering plastic materials. Situated in Normanton, West Yorkshire, Vaplas operates from a purpose-built 5,000 square foot manufacturing facility and have built up a well-regarded reputation due to ongoing customer loyalty and our ability to provide a reliable source of CNC machined parts on time. Our experienced and highly skilled workforce operate an array of state-of-the-art CNC machining centers, including 4-axis machining, CNC turning, milling and routing. We produce an extensive range of parts for a wide range of industries and specific applications. These include aerospace, food processing, automotive, agricultural, printing, water treatment, general manufacturing, and beverage sectors. Our design engineers use the latest computer-aided design CAD/CAM 3D modeling software for close tolerance precision machining, as well as supporting our customers throughout all stages of design, offering planning and technical assistance. Vaplas have in place stringent quality control procedures throughout all aspects of part production, being certified to ISO 9001-2008 high standards. All components are tested to the highest of grades, using the latest furrow arm machine and metrology equipment. A certificate of conformity and full material traceability is standard and comes free of charge, and all batches are fully inspected before delivery to our customers. Over the years, we have continuously improved our systems and software, having substantially invested in the most up-to-date CNC machinery and lean manufacturing techniques. In this environment, the safety of our employees and visitors is fundamental to us as a business. Because of this, we have established a comprehensive health and safety scheme and are citation approved. We recognize that people are key to our success. Vaplas therefore sponsor and provide appropriate training to our young apprentices as often as possible in the fields of mechanical engineering. To complement our in-house facilities, Vaplas are always available for on-site work anywhere throughout the UK. Whether it be repairs to damaged tanks, pipework or ducting systems, or to replace an old system with a new one, our team are on standby. We operate nationwide and can deliver a fast and efficient service for stock material, complex machined parts, bespoke one-off items, or a large batch quantity. You can be assured of reliability and excellent customer service with us. Please do not hesitate to contact our team of plastic experts today for more information on how we can help your company.